So, I do see that you haven't marked any no-shows.
No, because I haven't. I have one no show that I've been trying to call and text. That's it.
Okay,
Otherwise, I'm not. I mean,
that's awesome. That's
yeah,
awesome to
I'm
hear.
pretty impressed with the amount of people that show up. And if they don't show up, like they'll answer the phone. Hey, I got called into a meeting. A guy this morning. Hey, I got called into a meeting. We tentatively have
Mm,
rescheduled it for Friday. So, if he shows
perfect.
up on Friday, he's not a no show. You know what I'm saying? I mean,
Yeah, of course.
um, and so yeah.
Glad
So
to
I've
hear that
been
that's going well.
the one thing I'm impressed with
Um,
is the people do show up.
that's awesome. We like to hear that.